Understanding inflammation and natural remedies. Today's topic is inflammation, a key player in many diseases. Understanding and managing it can significantly improve your health. Causes of inflammation. Inflammation can result from various sources, and dietary culprits. High fructose corn syrup, sugar, and artificial trans fats can cause inflammation. 2. Processed foods. Refined carbohydrates and processed meats are major contributors. 3. Omega-6 fatty acids found in many vegetable oils. These can lead to imbalance and inflammation. Managing inflammation. 1. Cut out sugars. Reducing sugar intake helps manage conditions like diabetes and fatty liver. 2. Avoid trans fats. These increase bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. Balance omega-6 and omega-3. Incorporate more omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish and walnuts. Effective supplements. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, vital for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. 2. Curcumin, found in turmeric. This natural anti-inflammatory can help with various conditions. 3. Alpha-lipoic acid, great for nerve health and managing diabetes-related issues. 4. Ginger and green tea. Both are excellent for reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Lifestyle tips. 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps reduce inflammation and improve health. 2. Manage stress. High stress increases cortisol, leading to more inflammation. Practice relaxation techniques. 3. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for flushing out toxins and reducing inflammation. Closing thoughts. By understanding the causes and incorporating these natural remedies, you can better manage inflammation and improve your health. Share these tips with your loved ones, and let's all strive for better wellness together.